Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Chew on This, where we go around Manipal and review the best food places so you don't have to.
We all have days wherein we miss home. And for those days, at today's location, Town Cherry is the place. So,
Let's dig in.
Guys, look at this.
This is a moment we've been all waiting for.
Only if you guys could just smell all of this because this literally reminds me of ghar ka khana.
Truly does. Shall we start with the chicken pakoda?
I was hoping you'd say that. Let's start. Cheers. This is so good.
The curry patta in a simple spice.
And it's not a typical pakoda. It's like very crispy and it's really soft.
I don't think I've ever had this anywhere here in Manipal. Okay, let's move on to our next dish.
This is podi.
Yeah. Oh, good. Let's begin. By the way, this is their Manipal famous, if not world famous, peanut chutney. I think you should try it.
I kid you not, ever since we've come here, he has just been talking about this chutney. No way.
Flashback. Manipal famous, if not world famous, peanut chutney. The puri hit my nose. Manipal famous.
The chutney is so good. I don't think I need idli or dosa with this.
Yeah, the puri was also really good. They call it gunpowder for a reason. Time for the biryani. Shall we open our Pepsi?
Yes, let's do it. This is so good.
Finally, some great biryani in Manipal.
Because I've tried Andhra biryani before from Hyderabad and this tastes exactly the same.
I can definitely vouch for it, being a Hyderabadi myself.
Should we try the dosa next?
Yes, please. Let's try the dosa.
Dosa.
We have
Ghee puri.
dosa.
Ghee puri
Yeah, ghee
dosa.
puri dosa.
It's super crispy.
Wow, hear that crunch.
So good. It has the perfect crunch. It's thin, it's light. I think this is going to be my stable breakfast from now.
True, this is a really great dosa.
Can
So,
we please try the chicken curry and what is this called?
this is a bagara rice.
Bagara.
Yeah. Ah, that chicken curry looks really
Yeah.
nice.
Barara rice.
Bagara. Bagara rice.
Sorry. Sometimes you just have one of those names you can't remember, even though it's so stupid. But it's basically barara rice. Barara rice.
Bagara rice.
Barara rice. It has a mint.
Yeah, it has a minty flavor. It's unique, definitely.
So good.
The chicken curry is so smooth.
And it's so flavorful, like it's full of spices.
It's perfectly paired with
Barara rice. This
the bagara rice.
It never happened, but barara rice. Barara rice, it just adds a very special flavor to it.
The time has finally come.
Now that we're done with the main course, let's jump onto the desserts.
Yeah, let's try the brownie.
Yes. Oops. It's so good. I hate desserts. This one actually tastes good.
Nothing can beat a good sizzling brownie. The cold ice cream and the hot fudge. It's a delectable union of hot and cold.
Okay, ChatGPT. This wasn't scripted until now.
So this is a white chocolate pancake.
No, try with ice
Can we
cream.
appreciate the pattern that's on this? I mean,
Yeah.
just look how beautiful it looks.
Town Cherry is actually known for its dessert. Too good. I hate desserts. Here we have milk chocolate donut.
Oh wow, ooh, it's oozing with chocolate in the center. Dunkin' Donuts who? This
Funny.
is too good.
You can just taste that how fresh it is.
Yeah.
Now we have the fruit custard. Classic. It's classic. without any extra, just to stand out.
The custard is nice and cold, the fruits are fresh. I think this whole combination is the best ending
Yeah.
to any meal.
Which one did you like the most?
I definitely like the pancake. The sizzling brownie takes the crown.
It's the sizzling brownie and the custard. What do you
Talk about good home cooked food with an extravagant finish. The desserts are top notch.
I hate desserts.
Tell us about the history of this place. What inspired you to open this in the first place? And why did you name it Brown Cherry?
We have started Brown Cherry in 2017 in Ishwar Nagar. He is the inspiration for me. We had a plan and we have started. Actually, we planned for a cake shop in the beginning, and we named Brown Cherry as cake itself shows the brown color and cherry the freshness of taste.
I
So
see.
in that way we have named it as Brown Cherry.
We have noticed that brown cherry is really advanced in some areas. For example, we could only see female staff workers here, and we noticed that you don't have a typical menu card, but there are scanners. So, what inspired you to do these things?
The scanners is in order to avoid the waiters and all. We every day update the menu so that they can scan the order and they can place the order so that it goes directly to the kitchen. In order to avoid the waiters, we were using this scan and order system. And in the beginning, when I was working, when we have opened this outlet, sir was working actually. He used to travel frequently. Female staff will be better for me in order to work with them. And in many restaurants, I can find only the gents who will be serving and all. The cleaners will be almost female staff. So I thought, why can't we give a chance for the female workers to work?
Wow.
Work. In that way, I have trained the female staff, and now they are female staff working.
Sir, why don't you describe your journey with brown cherry in one word?
Yeah, as she told, Brown Cherry initially was a cake shop in Ishwar Nagar. From that, again, we opened this one. So, to tell that, we struggled a lot since we are new to this restaurant field. No one from our family till now are in this business actually. We are the first, even in her family, her parents. So, it was a learning for us. We learned a lot of things from the customers also. So, to tell in one word, it was very adventurous.
It was successful.
But we feel it's going well, so I think it's very successful till now.
I'd like to thank you, sir and ma'am, for having us over. We had so much fun and we truly enjoyed each and every dish served to us on the table today.
I definitely couldn't agree more. It was like a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds.